Receiving crystals as gifts, embracing the power of intentional healing. When someone gives you a crystal, it is an opportunity to embrace the power of intentional healing and personal transformation. Whether you are new to crystals or already familiar with their energy, this chapter will guide you through the process of receiving crystals as gifts with gratitude and openness. We will explore important points to consider, helping you connect with the gift and harness its potential for your well being and growth. Cultivate gratitude. Approach the receiving of a crystal gift with a sense of gratitude and appreciation. Acknowledge the thought and intention behind the gift, recognizing that the giver has chosen a crystal specifically for you. Embrace the energy of gratitude, as it enhances the connection and amplifies the healing properties of the crystal. Openness to possibilities. Be open to the possibilities that the crystal gift holds for you. Crystals have their unique energies and properties that can support and guide you on your journey. Embrace a mindset of curiosity and exploration, allowing yourself to discover the ways in which the crystal can positively impact your life. Receiving with intention. Set your own intention for the crystal gift. Reflect on what you hope to achieve or manifest in your life. Whether it's emotional healing, spiritual growth, or protection, infuse your intention into the crystal. Visualize the desired outcome and connect with the energy of the crystal to align it with your intentions. Connecting with the crystal. Take the time to establish a personal connection with the crystal. Hold it in your hands, feel its texture, and observe its colors and formations. Close your eyes and tune into its energy. Notice any sensations, vibrations, or messages that arise within you. Trust your intuition and allow yourself to bond with the crystal on a deeper level. Cleansing and charging. Before using the crystal, consider cleansing and charging it. Crystals can absorb energies, so it's beneficial to clear any residual energy from previous interactions. You can cleanse the crystal using methods such as running water, smudging, sound cleansing, or placing it in sunlight or moonlight. Charging the crystal can be done by placing it on a windowsill or using your own intentions and visualizations. Self-exploration and learning. Take the opportunity to explore and learn more about the crystal. Research its metaphysical properties, healing benefits, and ways to work with it. There are books, websites, and resources available that can provide valuable insights. Engaging in self-exploration and learning deepens your connection with the crystal and empowers you to use it consciously. Creating rituals. Incorporate the crystal into your daily routines or create rituals around it. Set aside dedicated time for meditation, journaling, or simply being present with the crystal's energy. Create a sacred space for the crystal, allowing it to become a focal point of your intentions and self-care practices. Trusting your intuition. Throughout your journey with the crystal, trust your intuition. Listen to your inner guidance and follow what feels right for you. Each person's experience with crystals is unique, and your intuition will guide you to use the crystal in ways that align with your needs and resonate with your energy. Expressing gratitude. Express gratitude to the giver for their thoughtful gift. Share your appreciation and let them know how the crystal has positively impacted your life. Gratitude cultivates a positive energy exchange and strengthens the bond between you, the crystal, and the giver. Thus, we see that receiving a crystal gift is an opportunity to embrace the power of intentional healing and self-discovery. Approach the gift with gratitude, openness, and a willingness to explore the transformative energies it offers. Trust your intuition and connect with the crystal on a deep and personal level. Consider the points mentioned in this chapter as you receive the crystal gift, allowing them to guide you in making the most of this meaningful present. Remember to cultivate gratitude for the giver's thoughtfulness and intention behind the gift. Express your appreciation and let them know how much their gesture means to you. Share your experiences and insights as you work with the crystal, deepening the connection and fostering a sense of community. Stay open to the possibilities that the crystal holds for your journey. Embrace the energy it offers and set your own intentions for its use. Trust in the guidance of your intuition as you explore different ways to incorporate the crystal into your life. Take the time to learn about the crystal's properties and healing benefits. Engage in self exploration and research to deepen your understanding of its unique qualities. Use this knowledge to develop rituals and practices that resonate with your intentions and align with your personal growth. As you embark on this journey with the crystal, remember to honor the importance of cleansing and charging. Clear the crystal of any stagnant energies and infuse it with your own intentions and vibrations. Take the opportunity to create sacred moments of connection with the crystal, whether through meditation, visualization, or simply holding it in your hands and feeling its energy. Throughout your experience with the crystal gift, trust in yourself and your intuition. Allow your inner wisdom to guide you in using the crystal in ways that feel authentic and supportive to you. Embrace the transformative potential that lies within the crystal and embrace the opportunity for growth and healing it presents. In conclusion, receiving a crystal as a gift is an invitation to embark on a personal journey of self discovery and healing. Embrace the energy of the crystal, connect with it on a deep level, and explore the myriad ways in which it can enhance your well being. With an open heart and mind, the crystal gift becomes a catalyst for positive change and transformation in your life.